Raja, we are not seeing your screen.
One second. Now it's okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. So go to your browser.
Are you visible my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, it's okay, ma. Search AWS sign up.
Okay.
Okay. Go to first link. Okay. See here. Create a free account. We have option, ma. Free tier account. Yes. Everybody has to create one AWS account, ma. Today. Okay. Go slowly down. Down. Yes. Create a new AWS account. Okay. Yes, you can give your email address, ma.
Okay, sir.
And then you need to give account name. Any name you can give. Your wish.
Okay.
Okay, Rajshekar is enough. Yes. Verify email address. Hmm. Just to verify your email, ma.
Okay, sir.
There is some verification code here. Yes.
I got a code, sir.
Okay, enter. Okay. And you can give any password, ma. One uppercase, one lowercase, include one number, like that you can give.
Confirm, sir.
Ah, yes. Same password you need to give.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Continue. For the setup, you need to follow 5 steps, ma. 5 steps. So we have done the first step. Okay. Here, how do you plan to use AWS? Okay. Update. Update. Hmm. Okay. Close this. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So how do you plan to use AWS? Personal. For your own projects. Click on that second option. Yes. Give your full name as per PAN card.
PAN card, huh?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. And you can select the country code as India 91. Search IN. Okay, good. And give your mobile number, ma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is this the new
Yes, new
number?
name.
Good. Okay. You can give address. Select India. Okay. Address. Hmm. Click on that one. Yes. Okay. Slowly down. Hmm. Good. Continue. Hmm. Okay. Here you need to use credit card or debit card, ma. AWS people will charge 2 rupees for security purposes. Okay. And again they will return 2 rupees, ma. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Just enter the card number there.
Here, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Expiration date. You need to give month and year. So after this session, everyone has to create one AWS account, ma. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm. Don't save your card information. Okay. Slowly down. Do you have a PAN? Yes. Enter PAN details.
This one only, sir.
Okay. Verify and continue, ma.
I have a small doubt. Yeah,
Sorry, ma.
one of my friend told in AWS account it will eligible for only Visa card. Is it right or wrong?
Sorry, I couldn't get
One
it.
of my
Say.
friend told Free-tier account only eligible for Visa card.
No, no. It is eligible for all types of cards,
Okay,
ma.
got it. Thank you.
Okay. Mm.
OTP.
Yeah. Enter what, Raja. Don't close it. And this Indian bank has linked it with mobile number. Okay, good. So confirm your identity, ma. What is the purpose of AWS account registration? Drag down. Yes. You can select personal use. Hmm. Ownership type. Slowly down.
Only, sir.
Hmm. You can select individual. Hmm. Okay, give your date of birth, ma.
PAN card, sir.
You already selected. Okay, give date of birth and PAN card number. So any date of birth you can give, ma. You must be at least 18 years old. Year, month, and day. Okay. Hmm. Continue. Okay. Select country. Give your same mobile number. Hmm. Very good. Send SMS. Okay. Type the same characters, ma. Small y 3xf s8. Submit. Enter verification code. Slowly down. Complete sign up. Okay, now you go to the AWS management console. Okay, you can sign into the console, and there you can keep your email and password. Yes, sign in. See, your AWS account is ready, and this is the dashboard of our AWS, ma. This is the dashboard of our AWS. After this session, everyone has to create an AWS account, ma. Okay, and then we need to install one more tool, ma. Go to the browser, Raja.
Sir.
Search git install. Git install. Yes, enter. Okay, go to the first one. Git
This one,
downloads.
sir.
Second one. Yes, click on this. Okay, so there we have one option ma, Windows. Below the downloads we have, yes, click on Windows, standalone 64-bit, standalone 64-bit.
This one, right, sir?
Good. Yes. Okay, it will download one exe file ma, and then you need to install from that file. Okay. Open file. Wait a second. Go to your desktop, Raja. Before installation, we need to check whether Git Bash is available or not in our system. Go to your desktop. Directly go to desktop. Minimize all the tabs. Minimize, yes. Okay. Now right click here in your screen. Yes. Okay, you don't see any Git Bash here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just to go to your download location. Okay, double click. Yes. Next. So this is the path ma. In this path only it will install. Next. Yes. Next. 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 Here you need to select first one. Use Git from Git Bash only. Okay. Next. Until end. Next. Complete. Install. Okay. Finish.
Finish, sir.
Finish. Yes. Finish. Okay. Go to your desktop and verify Raja whether it is installed or not. Go to your desktop. Right click.
1 second.
Once it is installed successfully, you can see the option Git Bash here. Okay. Right click. See here, those options came. See, open Git Bash here. Open Git GUI here. Okay. Good. So, okay, yeah, I can share my screen now. Raja, you can
Okay, sir.
stop yours here. Hmm. Okay, so what we have discussed so far, we have done the AWS setup, free tier, account creation, and then git bash installation. Okay, so what is git bash here? What is git bash? Anybody know? Any idea? Any idea, ma?
Command line interface, sir.
Very good. So git bash is command line interface for the Windows systems. What is CLI? Command line interface. Command line interface. It is a command line interface for the Windows systems to connect with the different servers and Git repositories. Okay, so Git bash is a command line interface, ma. We use Git bash to connect our servers and Git repositories. Okay, how exactly you connect your servers? I will explain clearly. So before this we need to create one virtual machine, ma. One virtual machine. So just go to your AWS, search EC2, okay. So EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay. So what exactly we do with EC2? EC2, I can say it's a virtual server, ma, in the AWS cloud. Virtual server in the AWS cloud. Okay, it's a virtual server in the AWS cloud. For example, if I go here, select instances, we have option called launch instance. See, launch instance. Here you can do any name. Okay, I just give demo. If you go here, see we have so many operating systems here: Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, and we have CentOS. There are so many operating systems are available in the cloud. Okay, but you know, our system is running with Windows operating system. Correct? Our system is running with Windows operating system. If you go here, system. Okay, see, our system is Windows operating system. Right? Whereas in the cloud, we have so many operating systems, ma. So many operating systems. Okay, and my system has some default specifications. If you go here, it has some default specifications. See, RAM, this is the RAM. Okay, this is the storage, and this is the device name. Everything is Windows related. My system is consist of Windows operating system. Okay, suppose in the same way, if you want Linux operating system in your system, you need to install it, right? And if you want to run multiple operating systems in the same system, you cannot do it from the one system, because you cannot run it multiple operating systems, you cannot run it at a time in our system, because until unless you stop one operating system, you cannot run other operating systems. Correct? So that is the reason we use cloud ma. We use cloud. We can run multiple operating systems at a time. We can run multiple operating systems at a time. If you want Windows, you can. If you want Linux, you can. Okay? If you want Ubuntu, you can. Whatever it may be. If you want to run any OS, you can use. And also multiple operating systems we can use ma, with the cloud. Okay? And then within seconds only you can launch. But in the Windows, it will take time. Okay? So that's the reason in the market, as a DevOps engineer, we need to work with Linux operating system. We need to work with Linux operating system. Linux operating system, because it has more secure and performance is so fast ma. Linux system. Okay, just I am going to select Ubuntu. It is also one of the flavor of our Linux. Okay, and then Amazon machine image. Through the image only, we are launching our operating system ma. Through the image only. So by default, we have some images. AWS people provide some images. See, this is eligible for free tier, free tier. So whereas we are using free tier account, right? So I am selecting default one, and then we have instance type ma. Instance type is nothing but it's like a storage. Okay. Suppose in the Windows system we have 8 GB RAM and 500 GB storage. In the same way, in the Linux operating system, we have different sizes are available in the market. So T2 micro is free tier eligible. If you click here, we have many options. See, any size you can select at a time. Okay, just I am selecting free tier eligible T2 micro. Okay, then, and key pair ma. This key pair we need to use to connect our server. To connect our server. Okay, this is like private key, authentication key. In your case, you need to create one new key pair ma. Go here, any key pair you can give. I am giving demo. Okay, this is my key pair. Any name you can give. By using this key pair, we are going to log in our server. Okay, and then the format should be .pem. Okay, by default it is .pem. That is nothing but pem file. Create key pair. Okay, yes, we have downloaded key pair. Demo one, I think the key pair is already exist. Okay, I am going to create new one. Test. Okay, proceed without a key pair, not recommended. Okay, I am going to do create new key pair. My key pair name is DevOps. Key pair name is DevOps. .pem create key pair. Okay, yes, it is downloaded. And then forget about networking settings ma. Default only you select, and in the AWS classes I will explain clearly. Okay, slowly go down, launch instance. Yes, success. Just go to here. Yes, select here instance ID. So this is one operating system, Linux operating system. See, within seconds only we created one operating system. I can say one virtual server. Okay. So here you can see all the details of our machine, our machine details. See, public IP, private IP, and then your ID, and then your instance type T2 micro. This is the storage type we have selected, right? If you slowly go down, you will get key pair as well. See, this is the key pair you have created now. Okay, so what is IPv4, public IPv4 and private IPv4? Anybody knows? See, public IPv4 is nothing but we use this IP address to communicate the servers over the internet. Okay, every system has one IP addresses, ma. If we go here and search my IP, if you search in your mobile also, see, it has IP. It has IP. Okay, every system has one IP. So in the same way, for this Linux operating server, we have public IP address. Public IP address is nothing but we use to communicate the servers over the internet. Okay, so what is private address? So we cannot connect to the servers directly using private IP. We access only within the private network, private networks. It requires some connections. I can say NAT, network address translation. Okay, so so the use cases of private address is we used for devices within a network like computers, printers, some IoT devices that do not need to connect directly to the internet. Okay, just we use public IP to connect our servers. Very simple, ma. We everyone can be able to access server by using public IP. That's it. Private IP is nothing but within the network only it will allow. Okay, so yes, I have successfully launched Linux operating system. Very good. Then how can we connect to the Linux operating system? By using public IP. By using public IP. So we have a command, ma. We have a command. We have a command ssh hyphen I hyphen I, and then your pem file name, and then EC2 server username and at the rate public IP, at the rate public IP of server, right? Okay, so SSH here small I, ma. Okay, you make it a small I, SSH hyphen I, your pem file name and your EC2 server username and public IP of your server. Okay, this is the command to connect our server. Here, pem file name is, my pem file name is DevOps, right? SSH hyphen I, and pem file name is DevOps.pem. If you go to download location, downloads, okay, select right click, the extension should be .pem, properties. See, the extension should be .pem. DevOps.pem. Okay, so that's the reason DevOps.pem. We are keeping DevOps.pem space. And what is the EC2 server username? Just go to your EC2 server. Here we have username. Slowly down. Somewhere it is there. Username. Not here. It should be here. Okay, I'm not seeing any username. Yes, we have a platform called Linux, but we have one options. This EC2 instance is updated one. We are not seeing usernames. Okay, no problem. Or else somewhere it is exist. Status or alarm. No. Monitoring. No. Okay, I will explain. Usernames. Different usernames we have. Just go here. List of EC2 server usernames. So we have different operating system. For each operating system, we have usernames. Let's take for example Linux operating system. So it has username ec2-user. So this is the username. Okay. Suppose if you are taking Red Hat operating system, it is also username ec2-user. Third one is if you take Ubuntu operating system, we have a username called Ubuntu. Fourth one, CentOS. We use the username called CentOS. Okay. So just now we have launched Ubuntu operating system. Right? If you go here, you can select, you can see, yes, see, AMI image, Ubuntu operating system. Okay, this is comes under Linux platform. Okay, so all the operating systems which is a flavor of our Linux operating system. Okay, so just now we have launched Ubuntu operating system. So okay, here what is the EC2 server name for Ubuntu operating system? Anybody tell?
Ubuntu.
Very good. So here you need to give Ubuntu EC2 server usernames. So these are the usernames. We have launched Ubuntu operating system. For this operating system, username is Ubuntu. Yes, good. At the rate. What is the public IP of server? What is the public IP of server? Go to your instance. Take the public IP details. Public IP. Copy this and paste here. That's it. Here you need to select small I. So this is the command we use to connect our servers. So what is SSH here? SSH is a Linux command. It is a secure shell. It is a Linux command. We use SSH command to connect our servers. Okay, just copy. Go to your git bash. I am going to close this. Yes. Okay, go to your download location. You have to open git bash where your PEM file is located. Right click here, show more options, git bash here. As I already told, git bash is a command line interface we use to connect our servers. Okay, just I logged into git bash ma. So here I need to paste. Okay, enter. See, for the first time it is asking, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, I wanted to connect. Yes. See, we have successfully connected ma. We have successfully connected. We are in this machine, Ubuntu machine. We are in Ubuntu machine. That means by using git bash, we can be able to connect our servers. Okay, just I connected Ubuntu machine from my Windows operating system. Here you can see IP. If you are connecting successfully, it has to show private IP ma. Go here, check the private IP 172.31.89, right? Compare here. See 172.31.89. Okay, that means you logged into your server successfully. Okay, this is Linux operating system, and you know this Windows operating system. Windows operating system, right? So this is a Linux operating system. Okay, so we have some commands ma in the Linux. It is command based. Everything Linux is command based. Okay, you need to compare, and you need to learn how exactly Linux is, how exactly we need to work with Linux operating system. Okay, I prepared some of the commands ma. Those are all very very useful for our DevOps engineer roles. Okay, so these are the Linux commands that I prepared, around 26. Yes, I think, yeah, 26 commands you need to learn. Okay, for example, in the Windows operating system, if you want to create one folder, how to do ma? How to do? Just right click, new folder. Okay, so this is the way we create folder, correct? Whereas in Linux operating system, we have a command ma, mkdir. That means make in directory. Mkdir we use to create folders in Linux operating system. Okay, mkdir, I am going to create demo. This is my folder. Okay, now you want to check what are the folders and files inside the demo. Okay, ls, list of the files and folders. See what is the command here? Ls, to check the list of folders and files. Just now we have created one folder, demo, right? Ls, it will show list of folders and files. Okay, demo. In the Windows, how to go inside folder ma? Just double click, right? Okay, I am inside the folder. But in the Linux, how exactly we go inside the folder? By using cd, change directory, cd demo, cd demo. Okay, I wanted to see the content inside a folder, ls. I don't have any content. Okay, I am going to create one file inside the folder ma. How to create a file in a folder in the Windows operating system? Right click, new folder. We have folder. Okay, so inside the folder we can create file, right? Okay, or else you can topics, file, save as, test. So you can save like this, right? Where it is desktop, here new folder to open, save. Just go back here, file. Okay, we can create files inside the folders, right? But how exactly you do in the Linux operating system? To create a file, we have a command called touch. We use touch command to create files. Okay, so we are inside demo folder. Inside demo folder, I wanted to create one file, test. Now I can check ls, that means list of files and folders. See, I have test file, okay. See here, how can we add content inside the test file? Just double click and enter some commands and save it, right? In the same way, linux operating system linux operating system if we want to edit our file, if you want to keep data inside a file, we use vi vi tool. Okay, vi test. See, one file opened. Okay, this is the interface insert mode. You need to click I. Okay, see, insert mode, and whatever the content you want, hello. Okay, I kept content. And how to save how to save? We have a command called,
I think :Q,
very good, escape colon
WQ.
WQ exclamatory to save and quit. Okay, WQ only if you give
It's
Q
exit down.
without save, yes, it will quit. Just go here. Okay, escape escape, top left corner in our keyboard, escape colon WQ exclamatory, shift, hold shift and press 1. Okay, WQ exclamatory, enter. Okay, so we have kept inside a file some content. How to see the content inside a file? By using cat command, cat test. See here, to view content inside file, cat command. And then we have a command called sudo su. That means we use sudo su as a root account So as of now we are in Ubuntu operating system. Ubuntu user we have. Ubuntu user doesn't have all the rights all the permissions it doesn't have. Okay, for example, I need to check. I wanted to go back how exactly? We use the command called cd dot dot to go one step back from the current path. Okay, here you can check the current path pwd, present working directory, /home /ubuntu /demo. This is my path. In the Windows, how you select your path how can you find the path? Click here, see, this is my path. But whereas in Linux operating system, we have a command called pwd, present working directory. Okay, good. Present working directory. I wanted to go back cd space dot dot. Okay, and then we have, as I already told, Ubuntu user doesn't have all the rights. I wanted to check apt install -y. what it is showing? Permission. What it is showing? See, permission denied. Clear. I'm going to clear my screen. Okay. Permission denied. That means my Ubuntu user doesn't have all the rights. That's the reason we log into server as root account sudo su. Now you try to install apt install -y. Okay, reading package list, building dependency tree, reading state information. Okay, update is already done. Okay, so this is how we need to work with Linux operating system regularly. These are the basic commands ls. Okay, demo we have. Inside demo we have file. How to go inside demo? cd change directory. Okay, I wanted to see the content inside a folder. ls test, right? I wanted to delete this file I wanted to delete. So in the Windows operating system, just right click delete, right? But in a Linux operating system, we have a command rm-rf remove recursively and forcefully. Okay, test. See, now search ls list. Ls is nothing but list. See, file is successfully deleted. Now just go back cd ls. I have only one folder I wanted to delete folder also. What is the command? Rm -rf demo ls. See, I don't have folders, I don't have files now. Okay, now I wanted to create one more folder. What is the command anybody tell?
mkdir.
Very good, mkdir. Okay, I am going to create test. This is my folder ls. Okay, so I wanted to check hidden files also. So we have a command called ls-lart hidden files. See, these are the files we have, and these are the permission set we have. Okay, these are the permission sets we see. We have some permission levels Read means R, write means W, execute means X. Okay, so these are the permission levels. Okay, now ls I have test folder. Okay, I have test folder ll rs ls hyphen lart. You can do for this test folder. It has xr. That means execute read. Okay, I wanted to give only read access so we have a command chmod 444 and your file name. What is your file or folder name? Test. Now you can do ll. See, for the test only R came. That means only read access. So earlier we have xr. That means we can execute and we can read. Okay. Now I wanted to give all the permissions for this folder. Okay, full permissions to all. So we can give 777 full access chmod 777 and your folder name test. Okay, now you can do ll or ls-lart. See, test, it has all the permissions now. So this is how we need to work regularly in the Linux machines Okay, so if user doesn't have right permissions, we can do by using chmod. Okay, change mode, I can say change mode. Any doubt here, guys? Any doubt here?
No.
You know, this SSH, we already used this command to log into the server, right? So this is the command SSH. Suppose I wanted to move from one location to another location. We use mv command. We use mv command. Ping is to connect our network setup, another network connectivities. So in the down the line, in other classes we use pingma, okay. And if you want to check the history, just go here, history. Whatever the commands you have searched, see all the history came, okay. And then run tab, in the next classes we will discuss. And then secure copy, this is also we cover in Jenkins CI/CD class. And copy, I wanted to copy the same files from one location to another location. We use the command called cp. Cp is nothing but copy, okay. And m is it's a package ma, in the down the line, I will explain. wget is also I will explain later. And cat, everything we covered, right? What is the use case of cat ma? Anybody tell? What is the use case of
To
cat?
view the file and
Exactly.
append the data in the file.
Exactly. Exactly. Very good. So to view the content inside a file, we use a command called cat. We use a command called cat. Okay. Any doubt here, guys? Up to today class. So today we have discussed Linux commands, and we have done the setup of AWS account, and we have installed one command line interface to connect our AWS server, and we have launched one EC2 virtual machine, and then we discussed about how to connect our EC2 machine from our command line interface, okay. And then we discussed about usernames of different Linux operating systems. After that, we have compared Linux with Windows operating system, right? Any doubt here about today class? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?